Okay, I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft Teams. First, just open up a browser, type in install Teams into the search, and you'll go to this teams.microsoft.com to download it. You'll click on the download Teams. It'll start the download. I've already downloaded it, so I'm going to wait for it to go. Well, there it goes finally. So I'm just going to use one of these that I've already downloaded. Double click that. And it'll take just a little bit of time to install. Now for me, since I've already installed it once on this machine, it logged me already in. For you, you'll just have to log in with your TCC account, your Microsoft account for the TCC, and then it'll bring you to your screen, and you'll see the groups that you're a member of, which you should at least see the group -NE-CS-IT, or the Northeast Computer Science Information and Technology Group. If you double click on that group once you're logged in, you'll see where it starts you in the general section right now. It's all we have. And you can post and talk. We can talk in this area. We can add files, like the file that Diane sent out list tonight, and everybody can update the file, and it's all ready to go for once everybody's filled it out. We can do OneNote sharing, we can do polls, and we do so much more. But that's really it. It's super easy to get Teams going, and then you can get in there and start looking at it. You can chat with people. Once you have Teams in here, you can make calls to people right through here. It's really a great tool, and I'll have some other videos more to come, but this is just to get you started and get you going quickly. Good luck, and we'll talk later.